grand. Don't even start with that.
With what?
Busting my chops like you always do, like I don't know what I'm
Misty,
doing.
don't talk.
You don't.
I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional.
Oh, right. Taking your 13-year-old daughter along with you as backup, that's very professional.
She's 14, and that's not fair, because I did not want to bring her. My psycho ex went to Miami with his boyfriend, so I got her. You look good. Do something to your hair. You should be encouraging me. I'm trying here.
Okay. What's the name of your fugitive?
His name's Carmine O'Brien. Jumped bail out of St. Louis. Found out about 3 days ago he bought a bus ticket here, so I called this Chief Green and I asked her to keep an eye out for him until I got him. Then I heard on my scanner she got shot.
So you think that she found O'Brien and then he killed her?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe.
Why break into her house?
The door was open. I just went in to find out what I could about O'Brien.
Okay. Well, when we pick him up, I'll let you know. But if he had any part in this murder, I can't give him to you.
What makes you think I won't get him first?
Yeah, right.
Oh, you don't think I can do it, huh?
No, I don't.
Fine. We'll see. Can you watch Annie?
Are you kidding? No. No.
This is really dangerous work I'm doing. Now, your office is a lot safer than my van, right? Besides, she's a female tonight. Her mom's such a freaking wackadoo. You know, I'm a guy.
Damn it, Tom.
Annie! Spend the day with your Aunt Teresa. Come on, get your bag.
Cool.
It's on, sis. And best man wins.
Hey, Carmine O'Brien is accountant from St. Louis. He was arrested 3 months ago for embezzlement, skipped town right before the trial. Spent summers growing up in Fairmont. Might explain why he's hiding here.
Any history of violence?
No, strictly white collar. Ivy League educated, no prior arrests. It's hard to see this guy shooting a cop.
That doesn't mean he didn't do it. Have the sheriff go back to Fairmont and ask around, run his credit card and phone records, and have Risky put out a bolo. Officer Price. Price.
Hi.
Can I help you?
Feel bad about not checking that trunk. I should have caught that, so,
No, he's not smart. I can outsmart this cat any day.
was pulled over a DUI day before yesterday. Russian guy named Dmitry Zubov. He's still staying at one of the resorts.
Oh, what about him got your
He blew a .076 on a breathalyzer.
.76? That's under the limit.
See, this cat is not
She
smart.
arrested him anyway.
I know
Well, it's just
he
a waste
will
of
not.
time, because once it goes to court, the judge is just going to throw it out. That's not like her. She's a real stickler for details.
Thanks, but we'll check it out.
I want to help out any way I can. I know a lot of the locals that like to help out with interviews.
Two fingers, just dip and remove, no hesitation. Want to give it a try?
Okay.
Did you feel that?
Oh, just slightly. Did you feel that?
You're good. Picking pockets. Nice.
Oh, I promised that sheriff should tell me your best Auntie Reese stories.
Don't you dare. Of course not. I was just stringing him along.
Oh, you were you? I guess I won't give you this time.
Hey. Annabelle? Annie.
Annie?
Annie? Jane and I have to go to work. You mind hanging out in my office? Sure.
Rigsby's a nice, easy mark if you want to keep practicing.
The DUI, Zubov, he's an economist. He's in Fairmont for some sort of trade conference. He stayed on for vacation.
Fascinating, but not what you really want to talk about.
I cannot believe my brother is a bounty hunter.
There we go.
Hey, all of a sudden he's some sort of tough guy. Who does he think he's fooling?
Not you.
You know what bugs me? He didn't even tell me. It's not like we don't talk. I just told him this is a bad idea. All he had to do was pick up the phone and call, but instead nothing.
Wonder why that is.
I basically raised that punk and his brothers. It's not my fault if he doesn't communicate. Oh, you think it is my fault?
No, I didn't say that. You said that. I say live and let live. You'll all be happier.
Oh, mind your own business.
Last name O'Brien, first name Carmine. I'm gonna email you a picture right now. Yeah, say yes. Thanks.